Renunciation is not a bad thing, but don't take by anyone's advice. Earlier, there were true gurus in the ashrams, but there is nothing like that today. People have turned spirituality into a money making business. They have take 30 to 40k and give you a mantra and say yours is done, then go. How many people who really want to learn about spirituality? Close your eyes and try to breathe and watch your stomach. When you are very tired or when you are very angry, your breathing becomes very happy. And when you remain calm, your breathing becomes calm. I am able to tell all this because I have absorbed all this. Absorption is the game. Your mood depends on your breathing. Absorb your breath. This breathing helps you to stop overthinking. I respect soldiers and enlightenment masters the most in my life. Soldiers are the most spiritual because they know that they can die at any time. Still, they are doing that work. They protect everyone. They are not doing it for themselves. A true soldier is already a spiritual. Save water, save air, save land. All this will be saved automatically if human changes. And human can change only through spirituality. There are two types of people, extrovert and introvert. You all know this. If you want to do something at world level, you have to become introvert plus extrovert, both. One thing I want to tell you is that no one in the world is completely introvert. A little bit are extroverts. There was only one Mahavir who was completely introvert. He had given up everything. He had given up clothes, he had given up food. He don't need anyone in the world. Do whatever makes you happy and doesn't hurt others. Do an activity. Close your eye and think anything else about ghost. I know you must have started thinking about ghost only. Why this happened? Our brain thinks in images, not in words. If I say that you are going to become the prime minister tomorrow, how many people will believe? No one will agree. Because you know what is possible and what is not possible in this world. Whenever I try to believe this, you believe it. But you know deep inside that this is not possible. The day you feel from within definitely happens. So that happen. No matter what happens, this is called law of attraction. It is possible that you may not understand this, but if you stay together, then gradually all these things will start getting realized to you. Today we'll talk about love. The biggest experience realization is love. History of love. When was love born? What are the stories of love? In today's world, love and relationship have become very corrupt. Today we have limited the relationship to just the body. Love is the most beautiful thing, but in today's world, people have made love just like a game. Love is totally free, neither the desire to gain anyone nor the fear of losing anyone. The meaning of love is not just about male and female. A child loves his toy, a mother loves her child. Today's generation has changed the meaning of love. Every person in the world loves. An experiment took place at Oxford University. A child was absorbed until he grew old. When an old man dies, they are trying to find out how a man becomes happy. Money making happy, fame makes happy. Who are the people who live happily? Its conclusion was that those who had good relationship were happy and those who had bad relationship in spite of they found a lot but then they were not happy. Love is the basis of your happiness. The meaning of love is not just about male and female. We get happiness only from the person we love, whatever it may be. The person problem is that we look for love only in humans. Then we think that this person will make me happy now. This is the problem. The moment you give your love to someone else, it depends on that person. What he wants to do with you. Here you try to control each other. How can there be love when there is a control? Every person wants to be free. That is why relationship issues occur. The more you try to restrict someone, the more that person will move away from you. If a person cheats you when you give freedom, then that person was not right for you. Before 18th century, the love stories of God. After 18th century, humans have started loving. Before 18th century, earlier marriages used to happen according to status, not on the basis of love. You noticed all this. Your great grandfather's grandfather did not even know his wife's name, and he had 12 to 13 children because at that time they had no awareness about love. In earlier time, the only purpose of marriage was to take the generation forward. Earlier, there used to be child marriage. By the time the children understand what love was, they would have children of their own. Marriage was like a business deal. Today's people say that divorce happen in love marriage because today's girls are aware. If earlier girls was aware about divorce, they took divorce. Divorce would have happened in arranged marriages also. Earlier there was no respect for women. Earlier also women wanted to divorce, but at that time women did not have rights. But today it is happening, and it is true. They will do what is right. Everyone is not going through a divorce. He is going to divorce because he cannot handle the relationship. All this is happening because of freedom, and this freedom is right. Then came a concept of romanticism. Today we consider the belief and ideologies of romanticism as love, soulmate, one life, one partner, true partner, perfect partner. These are all ideas, not reality. This is a lie that there is a partner for everyone. This is their thoughts, not reality. The day you see your partner, you will fall in love with him or her. This is a very crazy and nonsense concept. You have never thought about love yourself. We all know what love is, but if we do not know what love is, then no one can love anyone. People understand these hormonal changes as love. Friendship is love. Bollywood shows the most nonsense. No one is perfect. Love is the biggest thing in the world, but today people have made love a joke. Many lovers will say that we have fallen in true love. It is possible, but you have fallen only in love, not true love. Anyone can fall in love with anyone. Everyone falls in love, but no, not everyone gets married because you all forgot to make your status. Everyone is troubled by love. Everyone has got the disease of love. Nothing is better than love. But today people have changed its entire meaning. I am not able to explain about love. Love is the most beautiful thing. When you fall in love, even a flower will appear beautiful to you. Love nature. Love everyone around you. Realize love by yourself, not by others. Relationships and love is different thing. People have problems in relationships, not in love. Love is pure. Remember one thing, that love gives you happiness. If you do not love, then you will not get happiness. Thank you.